Hello, welcome back to World of TREDEC. Still with my nice and enjoyable feather, Nichimo feather from Japan. This is the logo from Nichimo in one corner. This is this Japanese aircraft, the Aero Subaru, in 1/48 scale. Very nice rendering. I don't see who painted it, but it is so fantastic. They are showing two Subarus flying over the mountains. Very nice adventure experience flying these models. Well, the box is medium, a little bit strong, with these features on sides. The Nichimo logo. Maybe this is the old one. This kit is from 1973 from Japan. It's written in Japanese and written in English. The short history of the Aero Subaru is the only Japanese-made lightweight aeroplane which the Fuji Heavy Industry has developed after the World War II. Well, interesting. I will add this information on the video description so you could read it, no problem. This other side, this is the kit number 15. Kit number S-4815. They are using the last number. 500 between these red stars. The markings, this one is included on the kit with the yellow stripes, and the red and the black. This one is the most popular, but this is not included on the model kit. You should paint it. At the back of the box, nothing interesting. So let's open this one. This is for shipping and handling materials. This is original packing from Nichimo with this red kind of banner, and the other side is white background and red letters. Let's take more small pieces apart in this ziploc. This display stand original from Nichimo. This sprue for the display stand, and these are the water stickers for the livery I showed on the box. Some kind of problem on this stripe. And something interesting with this model kit. This is the original glue from them. I hope they are not. It is not dried inside. 2 building instructions. That's a very nice feature. This one is in Japanese, completely in Japanese, and the other one is written in English. I'm going to use this one, reading this in English. Fuji FA-200 Aero Subaru 1/48 identical scale series on number 15 from Nichimo. The same cover in black and white. It's from 1973. The dimensions 16 centimeters long by 19.2 centimeters wingspan with 60 pieces. Nichimo Corporation Ltd. or Nichimo Company Ltd. 135 Sano City, Japan. Let's start with the steps. cockpit as always. The battery, the fuselage hull. This is the right one with the windows inside, the rear glass, the pilot and co-pilot, very important, the panel control, the fuselage completely assembled with the windshield and firewall, how to paint the floor, the inside of the fuselage, the panel control, the front landing gear, nice engine with a lot of details, assembling, landing gear, front landing gear, fairing, engine, the cowling with the pin propeller shaft, many names, hubs, shaft, pin, cowling cover. You could make this model with the open cowling in order to see the engine, the inside of the engine, the details. But it should be the way for the ground display when the aircraft is parked, not flying. Wings and elevators, or the stabilizers, 4 halves for the stabilizers. The main wings with 3 parts, 3 halves. This is other style of the presentation for the wings, the parts. Painting the blades, matte black at the back, the spinner is black, etc. The tips in red, the anti-collision light in red, tail light silver, the details about how to fix or how to apply the decals. Again, we cannot add some weight on the nose, so it is very important to use this little stand shaft and this stand base. I will use the display stand. I will choose the flying mode, and the people, extra people for diorama, decalcomania, or water stickers. Very interesting detail on the underside of the cowling. Well, that's about the building instruction. That's all about the building instructions. Let's check the water stickers. Very nice, high quality, no yellowed parts. I don't know what's this. I don't know if it is paint or a little ripped that stripe. I don't know. Anyway, I will retouch it with brush with a red paint. Okay, that's it. This is the steps for the wings. Very good. The instructions on how to apply them. This is the protector paper. Let's check the pieces. As you see, this is the original glue from Nichimo. Let's check the pieces. Maybe I wanted to build it by polishing the plastic surfaces, but I changed my mind. I will paint it. We gotta be careful with this kind of pitot or antenna. Very delicate. No guides, no pins, no slots. So we gotta be very seasoned modeler in order to assemble it. That's the appearance of this aircraft. A little rehearsal. Sorry. Some rivets, some recessed panels, and other ones are raised, but very smooth, not too much, very nice. This is one of the wing half, one of three. The other halves, this is for the fairing light. Yeah, rivets and recessed panels either. Very good plastic in white. The horizontal stabilizers halves with recessed and raised panel lines, rivets, etc. The four halves, the cowling, and the spaces to show the open cowling. The people for the diorama. This is the paper for controlling something about the packing material. This is the step for the aircraft. No, that's the shaft, the propeller shaft. The landing gear struts. The cockpit floor, the control panel, sorry, yes, with an embossed panel control printed. The arms for the people, very nice. Let's check this transclear sprue for the clear parts. Clear parts and the little pieces are just right here. This is the cowling doors, the landing gear fairing or boots, the windscreen, very transparent and shiny. The windshield, but at the back. The windows, very good. I really like this nose landing gear fairing because of this little wing. It's a nice touch. Well, it's these little pieces in general information. Let's check the display stand, original from Nichimo. I polished it, very nice and very elegant display stand for that aircraft. Let's make a little rehearsal. Very good, according to the scale. The name of the aircraft should be placed on it, but we have to make the name, because no, I don't see it on the water stickers. Custom made should be. This is the other cowling door. Well, that's it about this wonderful aircraft. This is a review for this aircraft, Japanese one. That's the Subaru Fuji Aero Subaru. Well, this is all for now, and we are going to the next review. Bye bye.